Hello, Namaste everyone. I'm Vinay Gujjar, your maths educator from Gujjar Tutorials. Friends, in previous class we studied that exercise number 8.3 submain 3. In this class we are going to study exercise 8.3, that is fourth main. What is the question, sir? Here 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a equal to. So what to do here? You know that three identities, main identities, you need to remember that one. First will be sin square a minus plus cos square a equal to 1. This is the first identity, and I told a trick for two identity, that is CC ST. CC means cosec square minus cos square equal to 1. ST means sec square minus tan square equal to 1. Understood? This is about both the identities. So what to do here? See here, sec square, tan square. But this 9 term is there, it's common on both the sides. Okay, what to do? Just we need to take a 9 as a common. If I take 9 as a common, then it will be like a sec square a minus tan square. ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದು ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ 9 ಬರಿದೆ. By using identity sec square minus tan square equal to 1, in place of sec square minus tan square we'll write 1. 9 ones are 9. Style of option B, right andre mugiyitu. Understood? And the next question, here 1 plus tan plus sec into bracket 1 plus cot minus cosec is there. It is also choose the correct answer. We need to solve. What to do here? Sir, 1 is there, so we'll write 1 as it is. So how to solve this one? To solve the trigonometric questions, we have some methods. First will be like taking a reciprocals. Okay, this is about the first method. Or we can see any algebraical formulas are necessary there or what. Okay, then or else any identities are possible or what, means these three identities are there, no, any identities are possible or what. Or else we need to divide by any trigonometry, means a sine divide a whole by sine, whole by cos, like this we need to do. Or one more thing, if it is there in the root, so we need to rationalize that one. Only these methods are there. This is a too rare one. Almost in all the cases we are using only these 4 cases. Okay, so sir, first one is a reciprocal. So how to take reciprocal? What to take reciprocal? Tan is there, so if I need to take a reciprocal of tan, it will be, we can write a tan as a 1 by cot also we can write, or sin by cos also we can write. Okay, sir, what to write then? See the next one, sec is there. Sec can be done as 1 by cos, denominator ನಲ್ಲಿ cos ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan ನಲ್ಲೂ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್? ಟು ಟೇಕ್ LCM. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ tan ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, sin ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ cos ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೈ cos. ಸರ್ ನಾನು tan ನ sin ಬೈ cos ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀದೆ? ವೈ ವಿ ರೋಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ here sec we are writing as a 1 by cos. For that reason we wrote it as a sin by cos, because LCM is easy ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And then 1 as it is plus cot andre, here also 2 possibilities are there. Cos can be written as cos by sin or 1 by tan. Very good. And here cosec can be written as 1 by sin. So we need to write cot as a cos by sin only, minus 1 by sin. Understood? Yes sir. Then cos is there, nothing is there, so we'll write 1. Okay, so what to multiply? Cos, because we are taking a cos as a LCM. So cos 1 into cos into cos plus sin plus 1 whole divided by cos, because cos is a LCM. Yes sir. Then again nothing is there, 1 sin will be a LCM, so we need to multiply sin here. So it will be like sin plus cos minus 1. Understood? ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೋ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ +1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ -1 ಇದೆ. +1 -1 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ it as a value, I consider this as a b value. Cos plus sin, sin plus cos both are same only. Okay, so this as a value, this as a b value. Now a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. One identity is there sir. Formula ಯಾವುದು? a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square sir. So we'll use that formula. a plus b into a minus b equal to a means a cos plus sin, a square minus b square sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದೆನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ cos into sin. Any doubt? Here sir, here again algebraic formula is there. a plus b whole square ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ತರ? ಏನು? a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab whole divided by cos into sin. Understood? हाँ sir. Then remaining -1 square means you are writing 1 as is. Understood? हाँ sir. Then we know that by identity sin square plus cos square or cos square plus sin square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin square plus cos square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into cos into sin minus 1 divided by cos into. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. +1 -1 ಗೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಬೈ ಬೈ, ಸಿ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 2 into cos into sin ಉಳಿತು ಸರ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ cos into sin ಸರ. cos into sin ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಟಾಟಾ ಬೈ ಬೈ, ಸಿ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ? 2 ಉಳಿತು. 2 is there here? Yes sir. So the answer is 2 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Understood? And the next question is here sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Same thing we need to use a reciprocal. What we did in our previous question, same thing we need to do here. So sec can be written as a 1 by cos plus tan can be written as sin by cos, because I need a same denominator on both the side. Okay, then 1 minus sin can be written as it is. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್, ದೆನ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ LCM and all. So we need to write a cos as it is, 1 plus sin a as it is. So these two are in a multiplication relation now. So read it first. 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. हाँ सर, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Very good. a square minus b square divided by cos. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹಾ sir, we know that 1 square can be written as 1. 1 minus sin square, we know the identity sin square plus cos square equal to 1. By using that identity, 1 minus sin square can be written as cos square divided by cos. Okay, so cos square, 1 cos will cancel out. Then remaining will be cos. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ cos a. ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಜಗ್ಗಿ ಜೈ 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 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿ. In this question, 1 plus tan square divided by 1 plus cos square is there. Again, by using the identity 1 plus tan square means, sir, we know that if I send minus the tan square here, it will be plus tan square. Then it will be 1 plus tan square. That is equal to sec square. Here we will write a sec square here divided by 1 plus cot square. If I send this minus cot square here, it will be 1 plus cot square. That is equal to cosec square. Cosec square here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Then sir, we know that sec means 1 divided by cos. So square is there, square divided by cosec means sir silly ತುಂಬಾ silly. That is 1 by sin. If I take a denominator to numerator, ulta palta, it will be 1 by sin irodu sin square divided by 1 into 1 by cos square. 1 into sin square, that is a sin square. 1 into cos square, that is a cos square. Sir, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕೇಳಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. sin by cos tan square ಐತಿ, ಬರೀರಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಇಂದ tan square ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಜೈ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯಿತು. ಶುಭ ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. The next main we'll discuss in the next video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.